Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this very beautiful quilling decoration on old waste bottle. So you can convert any waste plastic bottle or glass bottle into this beautiful showpiece. You can also use this as a flower vase. So let's get started. For this we need light brown, dark brown, peach color yarn, any crochet lace, scissor, liquid glue, quilling tool, quilling mold, some multicolor purple, greens, red and white color 3 mm quilling strips and any old bottle. Here I am using old Fevicol bottle. So I had this Fevicol half-liter bottle. This is a glue bottle. So I have removed the cover and now this is a empty bottle. So I will start wrapping peach color yarn from the top. So just add little glue on the top. And start wrapping the yarn around this bottle neck. So continue this process till the 1/3 part of the bottle. So it's done. Now cut excess thread and secure the end. Now I am taking some mixture of glue and water and spreading on top of this yarn using my brush so that it will be steady and strong enough to use. So apply this mixture on whole surface. It's done. Now I will start wrapping light brown color yarn. Apply little glue and start wrapping this yarn till the 2/3 part of the bottle. So it's done. Now I am adding little glue and connecting the last color yarn, that is dark brown or dark chocolatey color yarn. You can use any other color combination yarns of your choice. Since I want to give it jute look, so I used these brown shades of yarn. So continue wrapping till the end of the bottle. I have also applied some mixture of glue and water on top of this yarn. So let it completely dry for some hours. Now I will show you how to make this quilling petal. For this I am taking half strip of red color. Make a teardrop shape and little bend it. So you need 2 bended teardrop shapes. Now I am taking 1/3 strip of white color and making one teardrop shape. Apply little glue and shape it like this. Now I will connect all 3 petals to construct the flower petal. Now I will wrap this whole petal using red color strip. Cut excess and secure the end. So flower petal is ready. In the same way, we need total 9 large petals, and for the small petals I have used 1/3 strip of red and 1/4 strip of white color, and we need total 7 small petals. Now I took little silicone glue on piece of paper and I am assembling the outer layer by adding large petals one by one, like this. After that I am assembling the inside layer by adding small petals. If you don't have silicone glue, you can also use normal glue or hot glue. And for the center of the flower I am using bunch of white color pollens. So the flower is ready. Let it completely dry for some hours. Now I will show you how to make this green petal or green leaf. For this I am taking half strip of green color and I have joined 1/4 strip of dark green color with this. Now I am making semicircle shape using this, like this. In the same way I have created 3 more semicircles. For these 2 large petals I have used 1 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green, and for these 2 I have used 1/4 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green. Now I am taking this piece of strip and I will add the petals one by one from large to small size. So just add glue each time and connect all the petals. Like this. Push all the petals so leaf is ready. Now I am here making grapes. For this I am taking 1 strip of dark purple and making one tight coil. Like this. Now take a quilling mold and shape it like a dome shape and fill little glue inside this. So grape is ready. In the same way I have created some small, some large and some extra small grapes using 1/2 and 1/3 strips. So there is no quantity, you can add as much as you want. Now this bottle is also completely dry, so I will start first adding the flower. I have cut excess paper from the flower and now I am connecting the flower first. After that I will connect both the leaves. Like this. Now I will start adding grapes. So this is done. I have added all the grapes randomly. Now I am adding some scrolls. If you want to learn these scrolls, I have given link in description box. You can learn from that link. So I am connecting total 4 screws here. So it's done. Let it completely dry for some time. Now I am taking one crochet lace and I will connect this lace around this bottle on dark brown area. So first I am adding glue and now just wrap this lace around the bottle. So it's done. Now I have created this orange color pipe of the neck size using orange cardstock, and I will wrap another crochet lace around this orange pipe. This process is completely optional. If you want the bottle as it is, so you don't need to add this pipe. So I am just connecting this pipe on top of the bottle's neck. Like this. So the beautiful bottle is completely ready. Isn't it looking very nice? So you can convert any waste bottle into this beautiful design, and also you can add any handmade flowers inside this. I am adding these foam flowers which I have shown in earlier video. If you want to learn these flowers, I have given link in description box, you can check there. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.